Welcome to TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. When rent is a few days late, your first move doesn't have to be a formal legal notice. A written reminder is often all it takes, especially for reliable tenants. A late rent reminder is not legally required before serving a pay or quit notice. Its value is different. It documents your first written contact, gives a reliable tenant the chance to pay without escalating, and starts a paper trail if things go further. Send it within 1 to 3 days of the due date by hand, email, or certified mail. State the exact amount owed, the original due date, any late fee triggered, and your contact information. If the tenant doesn't respond within 2 to 3 days, move immediately to a formal pay or quit notice. Every day of delay is lost rent. The key distinction: a reminder doesn't start the eviction clock. A pay or quit notice does. Use the reminder as a professional first step, then escalate without hesitation. Download your free fillable late rent reminder notice PDF at TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com.